Hey guys, Andy here. I'm here to bring you all things Monday to makeup related. If that's your vibe, I'd love it if you'd subscribe to be part of my little slice of the internet. And in today's video, trying to show you nicely, we have my Klarity Kosmetics mystery box. Oh, there we go. I can show it nicely there. My Klarity Kosmetics mystery box. So if you want to see everything we got in here, swatches, deets, and all of that, then let's go ahead and get on into it. So I am on their website and it's currently sold out, unfortunately, but it was $25. That is what I paid. And you will receive 3 unreleased products valued at $40. So let's see. Those are facts. Dun, dun, dun. And all I want to look up is to see if the products that I received are actually on the website now. So, looking it up on their website, none of these items are available. So I would assume they are all exclusives, which is nice. So we're going to start with the Klarity Skin by Klarity Kosmetics. So they're going to be launching a skin line eventually. And this is their Cashmere Edible Lip Scrub in the scent Pina Colada. And it's got little like drinks on the side. It's very cute. It says, we suggest you scoop a pea-sized amount of the product onto your lips and gently massage the sugar scrub all over your lips. This will gently exfoliate to remove all your dead skin. You can lick the excess product off your lips or rinse it off with water. Follow up with the Lip Silk Lip Oils. So be sure to keep your lids on tight as to keep the product good longer. But yeah, let's see. So it has a nice, lid here. And she is yellow. Oh, I can smell it already. It smells like pina colada. Pineapple coconut. Pineapple coconut. We will try this in a moment. So, screw that on there. We will be trying. We'll be trying all the products, but I want to explain. And then we got 3 of these. Are they all lip gloss? Yes. 3 of the Klarity Kosmetics lip glosses, but these shades are exclusive. So the first shade we got was the Crushed Jewels, which this is, yeah. So this is Crushed Jewels. Gorgeous. This is the Pointed Doe Foot. This smells like fruit punch. Ooh. So it's just nice. It looks like a clear gloss, honestly, with just a hint of sparkle. It feels like nothing on the skin, which is nice because if you don't know, if you're new to the channel, hi, I have such an issue with I have the tism. I have texture issues, and it brings itself up very specifically with lip products. So after we take this lip off, we'll use the lip scrub and we'll try these on. But I did want to try them on over my dark lip. So I have disposable lip applicators here that we're just gonna get some on. Ooh, that scent is... You can really get it. I figure we'll just put them on a third of each of my lip. It's not giving much shimmer. It's really just giving glossy. But I don't hate that at all. You can really still smell that scent, though. The next one we have is Pink Lava. Ooh, that is gorgeous. Still has the pointed applicator. Kind of smells like mocha. Let me get lip gloss all over me. So let me just... That one, this is one of those lip glosses you wear by itself. Because this one has pigment. But it's not sticky. It doesn't feel thick or gross or... God, I can still smell... Oh, and I didn't do a swatch of just the lip gloss. Yeah, there we go. See, that one is so pretty. These are so thin and comfy. I'm so excited to just try them on. And last but not least, we have the shade Space Rain. My favorite. My favorite. It's like it has a hint of vanilla. That's the shade there. And that is it there. That is so pretty. Oh my gosh. I think that one over this lip would be the prettiest. But I'm going to take this lip off really fast, and then we will go to exfoliating the lips. So we'll try the lip scrub first, which I think I've used one lip scrub, and I liked the feeling of it. I didn't like the scent. It was a peppermint lip scrub. So grab a pea-sized amount. How am I supposed to grab lip scrub? I feel like that's more than a pea-sized. So we got lip scrub. I feel like that's more than a pea-sized amount, but it's fine. I'm fine. We're fine. So just... All right, some bits are falling. Okay, so I can definitely feel the scrubby bits as I made a mess with it. Ah! The lid needs to sit better. And it did say to make sure you screw that on tight so it doesn't lose its, like, juiciness in here. I feel like this is a lot of lip scrub. It's 20 grams. So it's got organic coconut oil, shea butter, organic honey, sugar, edible flavoring oil, and food coloring, in case you're wondering. Oh, it tastes like pina colada. I'm new to lip scrubs, okay? I'm so sorry, but like that was... It felt nice. I feel like that'd be a nice little skincare, but this is definitely something I do want to keep on my desk for before like liquid lips and things. I feel like that. So I want to try my favorite one first. So again, this is Space Rain. And these have 6 mils and they have a 12-month shelf life. So I think you can see the shine. Let me see if me turning up the lights shows you like the sparkle. In person, I can see the sparkles. I think you're getting it there a little bit. I think this would make either, if you're just going for like a low-key kind of day, nice. If you're going for, I think this would make a great topper. It feels, as someone with texture issues, feels like nothing is there. It's slick. And that makes me so ever excited because, like I said, I have issues with lip gloss. I think I have 1, 2, 3, 4. I see 4, maybe 5 in my collection out of my 70 lip products because I don't like lip gloss. So, that's exciting. Let me take this one off. By the time we're done, I think I'm going to need the lip scrub again. Next, I'm going to go into, we'll do the other light one just so we can like compare them. This one was Crushed Jewels. God, you can really smell the fruit punch. That's wild how fruit punchy that is. Like I said, just slick. Very nice though. I honestly think that one might be more sparkly, even though it looked less sparkly. You can't feel the glitter, which is nice because I have decluttered many a lip gloss because you can feel like the shimmery glitter bits. Okay. And last but not least, we have, this one was Pink Lava, and I saved this one for last because it's the most opaque. Oh, this is like a metallic, oh. I think this is so pretty. I was wanting one of those duochrome lips. I forgot who did them, but I want multi-chrome lips. I want metallic lips. I want them all. I think that that's so pretty because it is subtle. Like you can see that it's pigmented on my lips. It has that little bit of shift. And it's like metallic without being like a metallic liquid lip, you know? Because it's a gloss. I would say that this one has the most texture. It's slightly thicker than the other two, but not enough for me to care. They're not goopy. They're not sticky. They're not anything. I'm floored happy through the moon. So that was the entire Klarity Kosmetics mystery box. I hope you guys enjoyed. I absolutely recommend checking their website out. If you're not new here, I have a bunch of their single shadows, and I have other products from them. I have had their palettes. So sorry, I have an itch. But I'm sorry that the mystery box is sold out, but I definitely recommend go checking out their other products. And I will see you in the next one. Bye, guys!